we've got here is a layman lift that we medical coaches encloses in their belly compartment of their units. Keep it protected from the weather, road grind, travel, back and forth, set up sites. And with the battery switch on, the lift will not work without a battery switch. Battery switch has got to be on. Has to be on number one. The lift will not work.
Okay.
But it also has another feature as well. There is a box inside this compartment here that has a toggle switch on it, which is a circuit breaker. It's a safety device, so you can't overload the system. So it won't short out and burn up any of the wires. Okay, everything is on. The lift will deploy. Layman puts in a plunger pin, where when you open up the platform, you have to have the handrails in a location, or the lift will not work. Right now, we haven't finished the handrails yet, but there's a little button that comes right through here that this wire hooks to. It'll only work with the handrails in to raise it up with a pendant. The lift is rated at 1,000 pounds. And right now, this lift is set up for a side swing canopy door. Most of the time, the lifts are set up with an upswing canopy door, but this one here is set up with a side swing canopy door. Everything has been adjusted. Everything works well. When this lift sets in this position right here, of course, this platform will be out. It's like this for easy access for gurneys, wheelchairs. Another safety device that medical coaches puts in with this here is it has a button. If this door is open like this lift will not operate. It has to be closed, that way nobody falls out and gets hurt. Layman also puts in here an eye. That when you stop this photo eye, the lift will stop. If you stand in front of this, it won't operate. I'm not set up for them. I don't have my pockets in them. Okay? But Layman has a very, very good lift.
How about some of the tactile stuff on top of the lift? Tell me a little bit about that.
A non-skid coating.
How about rusting? Do I have to worry about rusting at all?
You don't have to worry about rust because 50% of the lift is aluminum. From here to here is aluminum. From here to here, well, everything else is all steel and hydraulics. Grease it, maintain it, oil your chains. You're not going to have an issue with it. Eventually it will wear out, but that's what it is, it's a mechanical piece. The more you use it, the more it's going to wear out. But it has drive chains. I think
You want to store it?
Many years of trouble-free use, actually.
Okay, good luck.
Yeah.
The reason we store it in the belly compartment is that it's protected from the elements, number one.
Yes.
Number two, you're gaining actually 10 inches of interior space because it's not stored on the side. You won't get the snow and any type of debris trapped in that lift gate once it's stored on the side, because it is protected.
We also have in here also place for the handrails. For the handrails for the stairs and the handrails for the lift are stored in this compartment as well.
And just to note, the handrails are made out of stainless steel, so you can throw them in there, not going to worry about getting chipped or broken apart.
That is correct. Or rusty.
Or rusty. So, well, great.
So it works phenomenal. It works very, very well.
Great. Thanks, Rick.
You got it.